A very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you for joining in for today's webinar. I'll begin by introducing myself. My name is Shari Pillai, and I'm working as an officer international relations here at Parul University. So, talking about IRC, many of you might be already aware regarding the activities that we are doing here at IRC. But still, today, as the topic suggests, it is about the pathway programs that we have to offer to US for our students. So I'll begin with a small presentation over here. So talking about international relations, we are already known for our mobility, that is the international student exchange programs, wherein we have been sending students for a short term or a semester to a foreign university who happens to be our partner university. We also have an option of study abroad and pathway. Now, pathway is like a different kind of an exchange wherein after completing your bachelor's, you will be going for your master's to a partner university. Okay. Now, here, what is the advantage? The advantage here is like you're planning USA, and we already have a partner university in USA who is offering the masters. So we can directly get you admission. You're going a normal study abroad method. So what planning you, you'll have to again go for an application procedure wherein you will be doing applications to 10, 15 colleges or universities. Therein you have to uh, hello, Bridget sir. Hello, 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 Bridget sir. Hello, okay. Dear all, apologies for there is some technical issue. The link is not going live on Google Meet, the webinar. So you have to attend, I suppose, from Facebook Live. So there is some technical glitch going on. So apologies for that. I'll just begin once again. Okay, so I begin by introducing myself. My name is Shari Pillai and working as an officer international relations here at Parul University. Uh, as I already mentioned, international relations, many of you might be quite aware of the activities that we have at International Relations Cell because mostly you might have heard about the international exchange programs that we have with our partner universities, right? So here I would like to take this opportunity to describe a little bit more and more different domains that we have at International Relations Cell. So here at IRC, we have a section which is mobility, which is completely dedicated for short-term and long-term exchange programs. That is summer schools or semester exchange programs, right? Like if you might have heard some of your, friends might have gone for 2 weeks, 4 weeks, or 6 weeks. So that is called as a summer school, which is for a short duration. And the other one is a semester exchange program, which is for one complete semester or one complete year, right? Now whatever exchange programs that we have, everything is a credit earned program. Means if a student is going for no matter short term or long term, he or she will be entitled to some number of credits for which the subjects they will be studying there, right? So the another domain that we have is the study abroad desk. That is once after you complete your bachelor's or master's or your diploma, and if you're planning for higher education abroad, so we facilitate you get admissions to different universities, different countries of your choice, wherever you want to go, right? The third we have is the pathway program. Now, what is the difference between a pathway program and a study program? Also is focusing on completing your bachelor's. If you want to perceive your master's, you have to go through the study pathway programs, right? Now here the advantage is the student is entitled for a scholarship, right? The second advantage is you are getting a confirmed seat. The third advantage is the stress and the hustle that you have to go through if you are going for a normal study abroad program. Okay? If you are going through a pathway, means you're going to a partner university and your seat is fixed there, right? You do not have to go for 10 different applications like a normal student. We Because you're going to a partner university from PU, your seat for your master is fixed, and that too with a whooping scholarship. So that is what the advantage you get when you're going through a pathway program, right? The next domain that we have is a linguistic study center. Now many of you might be knowing, some of your friends might have been already be part of that. We have begun with the IELTS coaching. We have been doing this for quite some time, but right now, as I'm happy to share that a lot of students are getting to know and many of them are joining for the IELTS coaching. So our batches have already begun. So here, as the name suggests, linguistics means languages. So this department completely is focused on language coaching. So here we teach IELTS, we teach German, Russian, French, and Portuguese. So these are the major foreign languages that we teach here at Linguistic Study Center. Right? So, going ahead with today's webinar topic, that is a pathway program in US for the year 2021 with scholarship for PU students, right? So, many of you might be, when we talk high student, okay, majority of them think of Canada, then comes UK, then other countries, right? A choice that many might not afford it or look it up. But here I would like to share with you a lot of different programs make you reach to your goal, or which will make you, make into reality your dream of going and studying in US. Okay? So what are the major highlights when you'll be studying in the US or when you'll be getting a US degree? Right? So the first is US degrees have an excellent international reputation. Right? So if you are standing in a queue and there are three people standing there, one is having a certificate from US, one is having from suppose Canada or some other country, and some is having from another country. So definitely the person who is standing with a US certificate will be given more importance, because that is the level of education, or that is the level of learning that it is, acknowledged for worldwide. So US degrees are something, which has a world class reputation, right? Next point is American universities are bastions of cultural diversity. Okay? So America is known for a place wherein it is a multicultural environment. There are people from different countries, cultures, and creeds coming in and living together. So it is an amalgamation of an intercultural diversity that you find there. Right? So again, cultural diversity is very vast, and various kind of cultures you can get to see in America. Another third point here is US universities offer excellent support facilities. So here, depending upon the different sections that they have different kind of support facilities that they provide in order to bring them forward. Right? Suppose if it might be economically backward, it can be staying in a rural area, whatever might be. You might be coming from specific region of a country. Suppose as they have a reservation for people coming from specific countries in Asia, they have reservation of people coming from specific countries in Europe. So they have different kind of facilities to support them to come forward. Okay. The other point is US universities invest in optimized classroom experiences. So definitely, whenever there is a new technology that is introduced, or whenever there is a new development that is happening in the area of education, or may that be in any domain of life, so US is one of the countries wherein the first introduction happens. US, get an advantage and a privilege to study in one of that optimized classroom setups. Okay? The next point is like American universities offer flexible academic environment and abundant of opportunities. Now, when I talk about flexible academic environment, as I move forward with my presentation, I will explain you that. But one thing I would like to tell you, it is not like our normal Indian education system, wherein it is rule is already laid down and you have to follow accordingly only, right? Is given to the students. You have the choice to decide whichever way you want to go for. So a lot of flexibility is given to the students here. Right? Another very important is a post-study visa. So if you know, that is mostly known as OPT in US. So once you finish your studies, you are getting an option of a post-study work visa, which will help you to work as an full-time employee there for a certain duration. Right? And that duration might vary. It can be 1 year, 2 year, depending upon which course you select. Now, today, I have pathway different universities. So I will be sharing these four partner universities with you, wherein I have the pathway programs open for you all. For the first one is the University of Detroit Mercy, Michigan. The second is National University San Diego. The third is Western Illinois University Macomb. And the fourth is University of Louisville, Kentucky. So these are the four major universities that we are partners with and who has offered us the pathway programs. Okay. So the Detroit Mercy. So I'll be just taking up one by one that they are offering. So whichever is suitable for you, back just take this university. So a little bit about Detroit Mercy. It was founded in 1877, so it is quite an old university, right, in Michigan, and it is the largest and the most comprehensive Catholic university. Okay? Detroit Mercy offers more than 100 academic degrees and programs through 7 colleges and schools. Means it is not like one campus they have 7 different campuses and schools across US. So they are offering different kind of courses. Now this is what is academic flexibility I mentioned before. Like it is not like the very ancient or the stringent academic system that they have. They are every time coming up with new and new courses, new and new degrees which can be an interest for the students for the growing education fraternity, right? Not with the very old customized engineering and this and that. They are coming up with new courses which can even help you grow yourself and can be an area of your interest. Okay? Uh, it is ranked among the top most national universities in US. Now, whichever all these four universities that I am proposing here before you today, all these universities are one of the best universities that we can offer, and they are holding a national university ranking. So it is not like any random university. These are the best universities that we are offering to you, right? So here is a program structure. So how is the pathway going to work for you? Okay. So here, first, you will be completing your bachelor's at Parallel University, and then you will be moving forward with your master's at University of Detroit Mercy. Okay. There are two intakes, just like as we have only one intake over here in India, but there we have two intakes, which is September and February. So it is known as fall and winter intake, right? So the areas that we have in Detroit Mercy in engineering, we can a pathway program is open for civil engineering students, computer science students, information technology students, and mechanical engineering students. So these are the four major domains that they have in offer. The your IT. Okay, and if you are a little bit more advanced in applied data analytics, then you can definitely go in for a master's then. ऐसा नहीं है कि like you have completed your bachelor's in engineering only, then you can go for a master's only. You have a variety of options, right? So you can select whichever is favorable for you and whichever you want to go forward with, right? So these are the major five domains that we have with University of Detroit Mercy. Okay, so civil engineering, computer science, IT, and mechanical and engineering department, and applied data analytics. Now, what are the flexibility that they have given for PU students? So the first and the foremost is IELTS. Okay. So when I talk about IELTS, many of you might be knowing IELTS is the English language proficiency test that you have to take when you are applying for any foreign university. So suppose you are applying for any country outside India, the first thing that you need is your IELTS score. Depending on your IELTS score, you can decide upon which university or college you'll be getting into. Right? So IELTS score is the very first step that you take, and it is very important thing as well. Right? So here they have given us a flexibility for the PU students. Now, what is the flexibility here is, suppose if you don't want to give the IELTS, there are two ways you can approach this IELTS. First, you give the IELTS and proceed. Second, if you do not want to give the IELTS, still we can proceed your application. The only condition is, once you reach there at Detroit Mercy, they will be taking a basic English mapping test. Okay, so if you are performing well in that English mapping test, it is fine. In case if you're not able to perform, they will be asking you to take some remedial classes, okay, which you will be paying for. So either you can give, or if you don't wish to give, then after reaching there, you can go for your remedial classes in case if you're getting less marks. So there are both options available. But we definitely prefer that students give IELTS before going, so that reaching there and taking remedial classes, you'll have to pay in dollars, so it will be little expensive for you. Okay, so it is always favorable if you complete your IELTS here before you go. Right? The next is, students have the flexibility of completing the masters in 18 months. Now this is again what I called about academic flexibility that they give. In masters at Detroit Mercy, they give us an you have the option of doing this 30 credits. The masters is of 30 credits. So you have an option that you can complete this 30 credits. You can complete this in 1.5 years. So it is completely up to you, right? So it is completely up to you. It is completely flexible, which and where, how you select, you proceed ahead with that, right? So these are the major highlights. The first point here you see is the scholarship. each and every pathway program that we propose here has a good amount of scholarship. Scholarship for a PU student they are providing here is of 21 lakh 50,000. This is a very big amount. This is a very big amount of scholarship only for the PU students that they are. Second, now, as I already mentioned, if you go for a study abroad program, normally you have to go for 10, 20, 15, 10, 5 applications to different universities. And wherever you are, getting a call, you have to apply. But here, what is the case? We are giving you a confirmation on the seat that, okay, you are a PU student, you have enrolled for the pathway program with us, so you are definitely going to get a seat in Masters at Detroit Mercy, right? The next is you save 12 months towards the processing time. Now, what happens here is in any pathway program, we start your applications 1 year or at least 8 months before. So, suppose if you are clearing your exams in the month of April or May, you will be going for your September intake, right? So, you will not be wasting upon any of your time when it comes to. So that again is a very big thing because many majority of the students lose their time here because after completing their bachelor's, then they go for their IELTS, then they go for their application. So it consumes a lot of time. So we here start that quite before so that your time is saved. Okay. Master course can be completed in 1 or 2 years as per the student choice. This I have already mentioned. Whichever is you want to do, if you want to do 30 credits at 1.5 year, you can go ahead with that. If you want to go 30 credits in 2 years, you can go ahead with that, right? Next is on campus job programs. Now in US, if you are going for an F1 visa, okay, suppose if you're going for a pathway program, you are going for an F1 visa. If you get an F1 visa, you are not entitled to work outside the college or university during that duration. So what they have done is you have a flexibility of working on campus. So they create on campus job opportunities. So if you are a student studying in that university, you can easily apply for those jobs for which you will be earning some amount. Okay. Next is I've already mentioned flexibility with the IELTS requirement. Being a PU student, you have the flexibility with the IELTS. So in case if you do not want to go for IELTS, that also is fine. The only thing then you have to go is once you reach a Detroit Mercy, you'll be having to take a small English aptitude test. And depending on your score, they will let you know whether you have to go for a remedial classes or not. Okay. Uh, the other main point is 12 months of OPTs available for international students. That is what I mentioned about the post-study work permit. So once you are completing your bachelor's there, you definitely are entitled for 12 months of post-study work permit. Later on, since if you are an engineering student, you are falling under the STEM category. Now, STEM category is the technical education category that is there in US. So if you're falling, since you're falling being engineering students, since you're falling under that category, you will be getting 2 years of OPT, right? So once agar aapka 1 year finish ho jata hai, you have to apply, you have to put an application and you get an extension of 1 more year. So in total, you get 2 years of OPT if you are a STEM student. Right? Another point is free counseling sessions. Definitely, you will be getting a free count if you are going for this program here. In you will be getting free counseling sessions. We will not charge these counseling and the last application facility. Now, if you might be knowing which is the application procedure. So all these things and all these from you can join in with Facebook. You have to join in with Facebook because Google Meet a problem आ रहा है. Google Meet भी नहीं हो रहा, Facebook भी नहीं. Now, what the program cost, right? So, if I'm talking about any program, so definitely the first thing will come to your mind is the program cost, right? So, when I talk about US, you also know that US the costing, how much even the flight charge is. The flight charge itself is somewhere around 1.5 lakh or something so, right? Plus, there are n number of applications, visa applications. So it is quite little bit expensive, but the quality that you get with that certificate is something that you will help you build your career, right? So the tuition fees here at University of Detroit Mercy is 26 lakhs 22,000 for the complete masters. That is the 2 years, and the other charges which I have mentioned, that is airfare, visa, CELEB transportation, admission application, visa interview preparations, IELTS coaching, everything inclusive comes to 2.70. Right? So in total, if you are planning for your masters at University of Detroit, anywhere between 29 lakhs approximately. Now think in US, 2 years plus 2 years of work permit means total 4 years at this cost. It's such a it's such a good deal for you if you're planning for US, right? Next, the Illinois University. Now, this university is located in Macomb, Illinois, and it was founded in 1899. So, again, it is one of the oldest universities that we have. At Western Illinois, they offer 66 undergraduate courses and 38 graduate degree courses, and they are known for the innovative teaching and student driven research. Right? So these are the university that is exclusively into research and innovative methods of teaching. All right. So Western Illinois again has a ranking. So according to the 2021 Best College Edition, it ranked at the number 60 in the regional universities in the Midwest. So again, a very good university, a very good option to go for. Talking about the program structure, sorry. Again, here you'll be going for your master's, so bachelor's at PU and master's at Western Illinois. And the intake that we have is the September or February intake. So again, sorry. Okay. So here, Western Illinois University, it is ranked at point number 60 in the regional universities. Right? Sorry. Now, talking about the intake, there are two intakes. One is in September and the other one is in February. And here we are offering for three different streams, that is engineering, computer science and IT, and in Master of Business Studies. Sorry. So that they are offering. So if you are an engineering student from computer science or IT, then this is a very good option for you for your masters. And if you are a BBA student, or if you are any bachelor student, and if you're looking forward for your MBA, again a very good option. Now the flexibility here for the PU students that they have given is IELTS. Please take a note. Any forward for option. The scholarship that they're offering is between for the it highlights person master used with us, then you do there. Uh, if you thus important point again I have mentioned is 12 months you save towards the processing time, because we start quite this job. If you are a student, you are studying there, they create lot of on campus job opportunities, so you can take up the any jobs that are created there, that you can ability with IELTS requirement. As I've already mentioned, For the PU students, they have made this flexibility that IELTS is not required. So that again is a very good highlight for those students. You get a year of open, right? Free counseling sessions with US. So everything will happen from here, and you days to do any other process, right? Talking about the fees, here for the masters, they charge 18 lakh rupees for the complete tuition fees. This is, and the other expenses comes by anywhere between 2.7. So the total fees for the masters at Western Illinois, you will be paying only 20 lakh 70,000 rupees. Again, a very good opportunity for students those are looking forward for a degree from US university, right? And believe me, students, though this amount seems a little big right now, but after you have completed your studies and once you start, earning out in your 2 years or 1 year of OPT, that will be more than enough. That right? This can be quite helpful for you. Talking about founded for universities. Now, again, it is one of the good old universities. It is the largest private non-profit university in San Diego. Now, talking about National University, it has 4 different campuses. So, the campus that we have partner with is the San Diego, California one, and it is one of the largest universities, private universities that is there in California and US. So, this is again a very good opportunity for you, right? Talking about the ranking, it ranked at number 95 in the regional universities in the West in the 2021 ranking edition. So again, a very good university to go for. Uh, the program structure here again remains the same, completing a bachelor, proceeding with your master university. Here is again September and February, that is the fall and the winter intake, we say. The area masters, and they also offer in MBA, that is Master Business Administration, and Masters in Public Health. So if any student who is studying his bachelor's in public health wants to go for his master's, this is a very good opportunity for them, right? And definitely for engineering students, computer science and IT is there. So if you're looking forward for your master's there, you can definitely go for that. The Here, the minimum scholarship they are offering is $1,000. We are still in conversation with, are expecting some more hike in the scholarship. So if once we get confirmation on that, we'll be definitely sharing that with you. But as of now, minimum 1,000 scholarship. The next is 100% acceptance and admission. You save 12 months towards the processing time. Job months of OPT, and which can again be extended, becomes 2 years of OPT, free counseling sessions, and US visa application facilities. All these things will be available once you enroll for the pathway programs through IRC. Now, here is the program cost. So, the tuition fees for the complete masters at National University is 23 lakhs approximately. And the other miscellaneous expenses, the charges are 2,70,000. So, which I've already mentioned over here, which includes your airfare, visa, your CVEP, there's FN visa cost, your transportation, admission, everything. So, all that comes to around 2.7. So, the total cost for the National University Pathway Program for your masters, you will spend anywhere around 25 lakh 70,000 approximately. Okay? The next university that we have is the University of Louisville. Now, this one of is one of the finest public research And right now, partnership with this university in the area of public health. Okay, so the students, those who are from bachelor's in public health, is for them for their masters, right? So established in 1798, one of the oldest university research. So in the ranking, it falls 176 in the best colleges in National University ranking list. So imagine in the national level among so many universities, it is falling in 176, right? And there are many notable alumni from these universities. I have already mentioned their names. So talking about Louisville, it is one of the best universities in the area of public health that we offer, right? So here the program structure is little different from the other programs. Here the program structure is like you will be completing 1 year of your master in public health at PU, and the second year you will be doing at University of Louisville. So it is sort of a 1+1 program, I can say. The 1 year of MPH, here you'll finish, and the second year you'll be doing there. Right? The intake again is September to February, and the areas offered is areas of public health. Again, the procedure highlights remains almost the same. That is, we minimum scholarship is $1,000 that we are, and still we are in talks on this. So once we get a confirmation, we'll be updating you on that. But minimum scholarship that a student gets is $1,000, and 100% acceptance on admission for the masters. They save processing time, on-campus job placements, and being STEM students, they get 2 years of OPT. So, which again is a very good highlight here, we can say. So the costing for the program here is tuition fees for the master's is anywhere 20 lakh 60,000 approximately, and the other charges for visa, airfare, and so on, it is coming around 2 lakh 70,000 rupees. So for MPH program, any University of Louisville, the charges is to 23 lakh 30,000 approximately, right? So this are the basic charges that I have to share. So till now, I have discussed all the four universities that are offering pathway programs with us. So majorly, you might have seen the areas that they have offered. I have just listed down them over here. So towards the left is the stream, and towards the right is the university. Right. So if you are a CSE or IT student, okay, and if you are planning for your masters in US, these are the three universities that you can apply for. So you can apply for in University of Detroit Mercy, or Western Illinois University, or National University. So these are the three university options that you have, and the structure remains the same, like bachelor's. After finishing your master's there, right? For civil engineering students, the university option in US we have for the pathway is University of Detroit Mercy. So again, after completing a bachelor's of civil engineering here, you can continue with your master's there. Right? For mechanical engineering students, again, the university option we have is University of Detroit Mercy. So once you finish your mechanical engineering bachelor's, BTech, you can go for your MTech there. Right? For the public health students, for the masters, there are two universities. One is University of Louisville, and the second is National University. So these are the two major universities in the area of public health. Right? For MBA aspirants, those who are looking in university, and anyone sciences masters that is specifically in physics and math, for them Western Illinois University is an option. Suppose if you have completed your any of your engineering streams, and if you have a keen interest for your masters in physics or math, then it is not necessary that you have to go for MTech only. You can go for any of these masters, applied sciences masters. So you can go for MSc in physics or MSc in math in Western Illinois University, right? So this again is a flexibility that is available. So till now, whatever programs I have shared with you, these are exclusive programs only for the PU students. And trust me, the costing that I have now, it seems to be huge for you, But even if you search it out for US, you can search out the program and the costing, you can find a huge difference. We have managed, because it is one, because of our partnership and our collaboration, we have managed to get the maximum scholarship for our PU students. ठीक है. So अगर आप जाना चाहते हो यूएस में, अगर आप ऐसे भी सोच लो, if you're planning for Canada, right? In Canada, suppose if you're planning for your master's or higher studies, in Canada itself, 1 year cost will somewhere come around 17 lakhs or so, right? That is for 1 year, which includes your course fees, your accommodation, and your flight and everything. But same thing, so you think of US and Canada, US is so ahead and so refined. So the degree from US that you'll be getting will be acceptable worldwide, and the weightage worldwide is quite high, as I've already mentioned. So slight difference in the costing, but a quality program. Right? So that is what you can think if you are planning for, already have plans for going abroad. अगर आप already plan कर रहे हो कनाडा के लिए, तो अगर आप 17 lakhs वहाँ पे first year के लिए spend कर सकते हो, so think of it. And if you can do a little bit more refined, and if you want to go for a little bit quality program, then definitely you can go for a US program, right? And one more thing I would like to share here is, students, if you enter US once, if you get a US stamping once, after suppose you have completed your masters there, you have completed your 2 years of OPT also, and now what? So there are different options then. Either if you are able to get a job in your area, you can definitely continue working there. Suppose if you are not able to get a job in your area, which will help you get, stay back visa, what you can do is, many of them, what are they doing? They are trying Canada, right? So if you are applying from US to these countries, it will be an easy entry and easy route for you. अगर आप वापस इंडिया से अगर आप सोचते हो यहाँ से अप्लाई करने का, जितना डिफिकल्टी होगा उससे 70% लेस होगा if you are planning to, if you planning that route from US. So life becomes little bit more sorted if you go that way, right? So these are the major highlights that I had to share regarding the pathway programs. Now, when I talk about pathway programs, as I've already mentioned, some universities have a requirement of IELTS, right? So we always prefer कि अगर आप pathway program के लिए जा रहे हो, so at least आप IELTS करके जाएं. तो IELTS करने का एक फायदा ये है कि वहाँ पे जाके इफ यू आर सपोज, अगर आपका इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टेस्ट वो अपियर नहीं करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने IELTS नहीं लिया है, तो वहाँ जाके आपको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट देना पड़ेगा वहाँ के स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से. अगर आपके मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर ए रेमेडियल क्लासेस, राइट? अगर आप रेमेडियल क्लासेस के लिए जाओगे, देन यू हैव टू पे फॉर दोज क्लासेस. So again, you will have to pay in dollars, which will be very costly. So in order to save money and in order to save your time, what we always suggest our students is complete your IELTS before you go. So it is always preferable, if you're planning to go abroad, please finish your IELTS beforehand, right? So right now, IELTS, we are coaching, we are facility providing here at PU itself. So the fees for PU students for a IELTS is just 5,000, right? Market में आप जाओगे बाहर, everywhere the fees is anywhere between 10 to 15,000, right? But here for the PU students, the same facility we are offering only for 5,000 rupees, which is, hardly 25% of the fees that is charged outside. नहीं. अब इस 5,000 में यू आर गेटिंग 50 सेशंस, यानी कि 50 सेशंस कम्स टू बी अराउंड 3 months. तो 3 महीने का सेशन प्लस 1 year ऑफ मेंबरशिप मीन्स, अगर आपके अभी अभी सपोज यू आर इन योर 3rd year एंड यू आर प्लानिंग कि नहीं मुझे पाथवे में जाना है, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन एनरोल फॉर IELTS, एंड वंस you have a 1 year membership, so slowly you can learn and polish on your English. And once you reach your 4th year, you can give your IELTS, and based on the IELTS, we can start your applications, right? So that will help you to save time, and that will help you to get good scores also. एंड मोमेंट के लिए वेट करोगे तो आप स्ट्रेस में होंगे, आप अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाओगे. सो वी ऑलवेज सजेस्ट आवर स्टूडेंट्स टू स्टार्ट लिटिल अर्ली. द अर्ली यू स्टार्ट इट विल बी easy फॉर यू लेटर ऑन. एंड IELTS एक बार देते हैं, द स्कोर इज वैलिड फॉर 2 years, so you do not have to worry about the time also, right? So if you are aiming to go abroad, please start your IELTS right away. Right? We here are giving a flexibility to you that you have a 1 year membership. In this 5,000, the books, 16 books are also included. Plus batch repetition is free. Means अगर आपका बैच आज खत्म हो रहा है, अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं मुझे और प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है या मेरे को और सीखना है, तो आगे जो भी बैचेस आ रहे हैं आप उसमें ज्वाइन इन हो सकते हो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. You will not be charged anything extra for joining in the other batches. So till you are with us, till you have given your IELTS exam, and till you are getting your desired bands, you can be with us for completely 1,000 facilities, right? So this is my contact details. So in case if you have any query or any doubt regarding the program, please do get in touch with me. You can either WhatsApp or give me a call or drop an email to my email ID. Now, students, please take care of one thing. US itself, when I talk about the program, the cost of living, the tuition fees itself is little bit on a higher side compared to other countries, right? But through our collaborations and through our efforts, what we are trying to do, we are trying to bring those opportunities to you with lot of relaxations in the costing. Like suppose if I have already mentioned with the University of Detroit Mercy, we are getting a scholarship of approximately 21 lakhs or something. Now that is a very, very huge amount. None of our programs are without scholarship. All the programs जो भी हम offer कर रहे हैं आपको is with scholarship, which you will not be getting the facility when you're going from outside or going through any other mode, right? So if you are planning for an education abroad in a foreign university, प्लीज थिंक ऑफ यूएस एज वन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस. डोंट थिंक कि अरे यूएस है बहुत डिफिकल्ट है नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप प्रॉपर चैनल से जाते हो, प्रॉपर पाथवे से जाते हो, प्रॉपर प्रोसेसिंग से जाते हो, इट इज नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट. Right? It is just like a pre-notion that it is there in lot of people that US है तो नहीं होता है, rejection होता है, ये होता है. But अगर आप proper pathway से जाओगे, proper procedure से जाओगे, it will not be an issue for you to get admission. The major point here is like आपके जाने से पहले ही आपका सीट फिक्स हो जाता है. So you do not have to, wait for the acceptance letter and do 10-15 applications to different universities and so on. वो जो एक stress होता है, that also is resolved and you are getting a direct seat confirmation through our partner. Right? So these are the major highlights that I had to mention over here. But still, if you have any query regarding any of these, please feel free and get in touch with us. Apart from these pathway programs, we are also, as I've already mentioned, we have other domains also in IRC. We have study abroad programs. We have semester exchange, summer school programs. So if you have, going abroad maybe for any kind of a program, इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर के लिए अगर आपके मन में थोड़ी सी भी ऐसा है कि आई वांट टू गो फॉर, प्लीज गेट इन टच विथ अस. वी कैन गिव यू डिफरेंट डिफरेंट opportunities that will be helpful for you, right? So US is something, which a lot of students have in the back of their mind, but वो नहीं चूज करते हैं क्योंकि उनको श्योर नहीं होता है और उन लोगों को काफी मिसकंसेप्शंस होते हैं यूएस के बारे में. बट प्लीज give a call or talk to us, so we will be able to help you and help you clear your misconceptions about US is not that difficult. US, it will be an easy procedure for you if you follow the. So that's it from my side. I have already shared my contact details with you. In case if you're coming to Parallel University anytime, please visit IRC. So we will be helpful. We can talk to you in person and help you with the queries. In case if you are not able to come, I have already shared my contact details. So you can get in touch with us over number or over email, whichever is comfortable to you. We can guide you accordingly. Right? So bundle of opportunities programs, lot of opportunities for foreign education, foreign study. Only thing you have to make your mind and you have to approach us. We will be guiding you accordingly to different programs and whichever is more suitable for you. Right? So thank you, students, for attending the webinar and for the technical based. Initially, there is something wrong with the Google Meet or Google, I don't know. So many of them were finding it difficult to log in initially. So it will be streamed online. It's already streaming. So in case if you have missed upon something, you want to have know more, please get in touch with us. I'll be happy to share the information with you. Right? So thank you, students. Thank you once again for joining in, and thank you to all the faculty heads for helping students to joining for today's webinar. Thank you.